So now let's see how we can work around with text background effect inside a Pixlr Designer. So to do that, you need to go around and click on text right here, and I'm going to go around and type into tube just like this and choose around a color right here. So it is readable. So you can see that this is the text that I have right here. Let me just go around and resize this out right here and pull this out, and this is what I have, as you can see. So now if I want to go around and add in a text background, then you can see that if I were to scroll down, you can see background is an effect. So if I were to turn this on, then background effect is added in, and you can see that I can go around and select out a background color right here. You can also punch it out so that this particular area right here becomes transparent. You can also go around and change around the offset right here, and you can see that the position of the text right here changes out as well. Apart from that, you can work around with line right here. So full means it fills up the full text box over here. But if you were to click on line, then what happens is that it only focuses on this particular text area right here. Then after that, there's word right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and add in a space, line is, you can see that it covers up the entire text line right here. But word means it only covers up the word right here. And then you can punch out or choose another color as you like, just like this as well. So you can go around and choose it, and that is what you have. So that is how you can work around with text background effect inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.